In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Notion. If you want to keep your account secure, updating your password regularly is a smart habit. Notion makes this process fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Notion and make sure you are signed into the account where you want to change the password. Once you are inside your workspace, look to the top left corner of the sidebar. You'll see your workspace name there. Or in some versions, a small down arrow next to it. Click on that area to open the workspace menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In some accounts, this option may be labeled Settings and Members. So don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. Both will take you to the place you need. After the Settings area opens, go to the left-hand menu and look for the My Account section. Under that section, click on your name or your email address. This will open your account details where you can manage personal settings connected to your Notion login. Now scroll down until you find the Password section. Depending on your setup, you may see a button that says Change or Change This. Click that option to begin updating your password. At this point, Notion will usually ask you to enter your current password first. This is a security step to confirm that it's really you making the change. After entering your current password, type your new password into the next field. Then confirm it by entering the same new password again in the confirmation box. When creating a new password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and unique. Try to avoid simple or commonly used passwords and make sure it's something you haven't reused on other accounts. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols can help make it more secure. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Change Password or Set Password, depending on what your screen shows. After that, your new password should be saved, and your account will now use the updated login information. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Notion. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with the steps again whenever you need to update your account security in the future.